Welcome here, David, back for episode 22. That's right, 22 out of 122. So, what are we talking about? Smart money, blockchain basics, blockchain freedom. So, take a guess where I am. For new people who are just joining my channel, smart money, coin market cap is where I like to start off, where you can actually see all the top cryptos right now. So today is the 21st of September 2025. And for new people, you can actually come here and you can actually see the top 8,000 tokens and coins, right? And this is super, super good because you can do some research. You can always click on Bitcoin, for instance. And I love going to the all-time chart because this gives you perspective of how this coin grew, right? I mean, you can go back 5 years, you can go see what the price of the coin was. I mean, it was sitting at what, $8,000 5 years ago. And if you go back 10 years, then you might fall off your chair, right? Because then it goes down to like $200. And at the moment, it's $115. So a lot of people ask me, how can I get started? How can I actually buy Bitcoin? So an easy place, if you're based in the UK, I've got I recommend Revolut because you can easily get an account. You can head over to my website, performingmarkets.com. Here you can create your own Revolut account. I've got a link here you can click on, and there I've got step-by-step instructions, and you can actually start purchasing some Bitcoin through Revolut. They're a registered bank. So safe and secure, right? So dollar cost average is another thing I mention all the time, is buy a little bit every month because you can set recurring buys on Revolut on most of the exchanges. And also, if you're in a different country that doesn't have Revolut, ask ChatGPT. So hello, ChatGPT, I live in this country. What exchanges are there that are good that I can buy Bitcoin or Ethereum? Because what you're trying to do is just dollar cost average and have a look at the top 10 tokens, right? You can look at Ethereum as well. Dollar cost average into Ethereum. I mean, even if you just go back 3 years, look at the price of Ethereum was 1,400. Now look at it, it's 4,400. And then I'm promoting my token. Well, it's not my token, but it's the project I'm promoting, which is Apertum. You can head over to Apertum. And yeah, you can actually have a look at the price of the coin. You can actually have a look at when it launched. It launched in February 19, 2025, the Apertum DEX. So it's 8 months old. So I'm trying to get people to look at this project. We're already 454 out of how many? 9,508 active on CoinMarketCap. We've already got a profile score of 92. So I'm very bullish on this token and bag as many of these tokens as you can. So you might say, David, how do I actually get access to these tokens? Super, super simple. All you need is to get a DAO1 account. I'll put some links below where you can register, get a DAO1 account, and you can get yourself one of our trading bots that simply buys low and sells high. And it's AI technology. So what it will actually do is it will look at the graph, and when the price dips, it will buy, and when it goes up, it will sell. Okay, and it'll start bagging some of these Apertum coins for you. Another cool thing you can actually do, is you can actually go through. Let me see if I can go show you. You can go to the DEX, okay, and yeah, you can actually swap some of your USDT, okay, for Apertum tokens and swap some of your USDT for Apertum, gather more Apertum coins. And another thing which I'm super, super excited about is the liquidity pair, where you can actually add liquidity to the Apertum liquidity pool. Let's have a look at it together. It's Apertum and USDT pair. And I just want to show you here, we go and have an actual look at the liquidity pool together. So it is Apertum and USDT together as a pair. Today's interest rate is sitting at 14%. Okay, it is a weekend. It is Sunday. Okay, I have seen this over 100%, and on average, I've seen it between 30 and 40%. So you want to put something into this liquidity pool as well. Okay, so first thing is we've got let's go look at the products again. So if we look at this one, this is the trading bot that trades for you automatic, right? So it buys low, sells high, and gathers more of these tokens. Here we've got a mining bot where it actually mines the token. Okay, and then we've got something really cool. There is something called gstrade.exchange where you can actually use G99 coins and actually get a 5x. So if you I'll give you an example. So if you see here, $500 worth of G99 coins gives you actually value of 3,000. So it's almost like a 6x you're getting. Okay, so get some of these G99 coins, right? Reach out to me if you want to learn more. So let's wrap it up quickly. So what am I saying? I'm saying the APTM coin, I reckon this price is sitting at $1.32. Who knows where this will be at the end of the year, right? So what you want to do is you want to gather as many of these coins as you can. So through our trade bot, you can do that. Through our mining bot, you can do that. And then why not add into the liquidity pool as well and tap into this interest rate, this annual interest rate. And also, we also got a business in a box as well. Let me see, yeah, we got something called the DAO 1 Active Members Plan, where just for $9 a month, you can benefit from a referral and our product sales. So you can look at these fantastic products we got here. We've got the trading bot AI, we've got the smart mining bot, and then you can also tap into our liquidity pool when you've got a DAO 1 account. And then you can share these products, right? And it's very lucrative because you can have a look here. Yes, we do have a disclaimer. I understand that I'm using the product at my own risk. Any losses incurred due to my action on my own responsibility. I understand that any and all materials, tutorials, PDFs or otherwise are provided for educational purposes only. So you want to get these tokens working for you, right? And if we look at the tripod, so you got your mining bot working for you, mining the tokens. You've got your chain trade bot working for you, where it buys low, sells high, accumulating these APTM tokens. And you've got the DEX liquidity pool working for you. And it's all working together. So super, super powerful. So active members plan, you've got 20% actually direct commission. We've also got a uni-level commissions plan that goes down to 9 levels. And we've also got pool commissions. So let's have a look here. So direct commissions is 20% on all product sales from your first level. And then we've also got the 9-level pay plan, which is very, very powerful as well. And if you've got a big influence, social media influence, we've also got rank pool commissions. So next step, very, very easy. Under the video, I'll just see if I can go to one of my descriptions here. This is the video I did yesterday. Here you'll get some links on how to create your DAO 1 account. You just click on this one here, linkhub.app, and that'll take you to a page where you can learn more about the project, right? You can learn a bit about smart money, what I'm doing here. You can actually register your account. And I've got my YouTube channel and I've got my blog. So you can come and have a look down here. So just look in the description below and you can get all those details. So simple, just get yourself a DAO 1 account, buy yourself a product, activate your product, and then activate your $9 a month, and then you can share this with others, just like I'm doing with you right now. So I want to say thank you so much. This is episode 22, Smart Money to Blockchain Freedom, and tomorrow you'll see me for episode 23. Good night and bye-bye.